there, this is Natasha. I am a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes and patterns, not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to part 2 of crocheting mini Christmas tree. In the previous part, we learned how to do the crocheting part of the mini tree. Now in this part, we are going to see the assembly to make this into a mini Christmas tree. If you are fond of crocheting handmade stuff for the holidays, I have done a number of different Christmas tutorials in the past. You can find the link to the entire playlist in the description. Do check it out. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let us start with the assembly of this tree. So for the assembly, I am taking this cardstock cone that I have created. Take some fabric glue. Apply fabric glue at the base of the cone. I am going to start wrapping this around the cone from the end where we had those two, where we have the yarn tail. We are going to start gluing it and then continue wrapping it. If you want, you can keep applying glue as you go up. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. Do this all the way to the top. Again, apply some glue on the top and secure it. Now to keep it in place, I prefer to use a sewing pin. So I'm just going to insert a sewing pin here and let it dry. So you can shape the tree a little. If you don't want to keep the tree plain and green, you can decorate it. For decorating, you can use some thermocol confettis, or you can also use glass beads or sequins or anything like that. You can also use some pom-poms that would also make a very cute Christmas tree. You use different embellishments to decorate the tree and give it a more festive look. This tree is perfect for your table settings. It can also be used as a Christmas tree ornament. You can also use this tree in your Christmas city. If you are creating a snow city, you can use these trees in that setting as well. We did a base chain of 51 and did this Christmas tree. If you want to make bigger or smaller Christmas tree, there are a number of different ways in which you can do that. So the first thing that you can do is to increase or decrease the number of chains. For making a bigger tree, you can increase the number of chains and then do this exact same, follow the exact same pattern that we just did in the tutorial. For a smaller tree, use lesser number of chains and then lesser number of base foundation double crochet stitches and follow the exact same pattern. If there is one more way of increasing or decreasing the size, that is by changing the yarn. We have used a size 2 yarn for this. If you want, you can use size 3, size 4 or size 5. That will make you, that will create bigger trees for you. And you can also go with a size 1 or a size 0 lace weight yarn, or you can use mercerized cotton size 20 or size 10. That will create a smaller tree for you. So these are a few variation ideas. If you are doing a themed Christmas decoration, you can change the color of the Christmas tree as per your theme. That obviously depends on your personal preference. This is a quick tutorial and would make a perfect last minute gift. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making. And it is a advanced beginner level tutorial. Even if you are a beginner level crocheter, you can give it a try. So now the last step is remaining. For the last step, I am just going to glue the tree onto the base here. So apply generous amount of glue on the wooden piece that you have. If you don't have a wooden circle, you can also use a styrofoam circle or a cardboard circle for the base. If you like, you can also add a skewer stem to the Christmas tree and then you can add it to a pot. That would also be nice. So that's it. Now you have to just let it dry completely and your Christmas tree will be ready for decoration. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. Also, a gentle reminder, if you're fond of crocheting during the holidays, I have done a lot of different Christmas tutorials, crochet Christmas tutorials in the past. You can find the link to the entire playlist in the description. Do check it out. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching and happy crochet. Bye bye.